Hello children, how are you all? I hope you are fit and fine. Children, as you all know, we are doing chapter number 11 and exercise number B we are going to do, children. So comprehension we have already done. Now today we are starting exercise number B in language structure. So children, this is our chapter number 11. Garima goes to school. Garima goes to school. Okay. And now this is language structure. This is B number. We are going to do, children. And the B number is fill in the blanks by choosing the names of the persons engaged in particular types of work from the help box given below. तो जो help box दिया हुआ है उसको देखकर हमें we have to complete the exercise. So this is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks by choosing the names. By choosing the names of the persons. Persons के names दिए हुए हैं, we have to choose this. Okay. Now first is a person. Now this is the fill in the blanks. Delivers letters. Delivers letters. जो पर्सन लेटर डिलीवर करता है यानी कि लेटर को देता है, बांटता है, सो दिस इज कॉल्ड पोस्टमैन. ओके, वी विल राइट पोस्टमैन. पोस्टमैन डिलीवर्स लेटर. ओके चिल्ड्रन. नाउ बी नंबर. Okay, B number is looks at the cavities in the teeth. Looks at the cavities in the teeth. ठीक है, ये क्या करता है, कौन ये वर्क करता है, दैट इज अ डेंटिस्ट. डेंटिस्ट. डेंटिस्ट ऑलवेज केयर अबाउट टीथ्स. हमारे टीथ्स को जो रिपेयर करते हैं, जो क्लीन करते हैं, दे आर कॉल्ड डेंटिस्ट. ओके. नाउ सी. सी नंबर वी आर गोइंग टू डू, दैट इज अ टेलर. अ टेलर stitches clothes. कौन कपड़े सिलता है, who is stitching our clothes, that is tailor. टेलर कपड़े को सिलता है, क्लोथ्स को सिलता है. हमारे जो ड्रेसेस होते हैं वो प्रिपेयर करते हैं. नाउ फोर्थ नंबर, सॉरी डी नंबर. So a dash sells sugar and wheat. Sugar and wheat. Sugar and wheat कौन प्रिपेयर करता है, कौन सेल करता है, दैट इज ग्रॉसर. ग्रॉसर, जो ग्रॉसरी शॉप होती है वो ग्रॉसर्स की होती है. ठीक है, तो दिस इज ग्रॉसर. दिस इज ग्रॉसर. ग्रॉसर जो है वो सेल करता है शुगर एंड व्हीट. वॉट एवर द ग्रॉसरी वी आर गेटिंग फ्रॉम शॉप, द सेलर इज ग्रॉसर. नाउ ई नंबर, दैट इज अ डैश treats diseases. Treats diseases, children. Okay. हमारे डिजीज़ेस को ट्रीट कौन करता है, कौन उसका ट्रीटमेंट करता है? अ डॉक्टर. यस, अ डॉक्टर. ओके, अ डॉक्टर ट्रीट्स आवर diseases. Now children, we are moving to solve the next one. Okay, now this is F number, that is a and dash designs machine. Designs machines. मशीन्स को कौन डिज़ाइन करता है? मशीन्स को एन इंजीनियर. एन इंजीनियर डिज़ाइंस मशीन. मशीन को इंजीनियर डिज़ाइन करता है. सो जस्ट राइट इट डाउन. द पर्सन एंड देयर occupation, whatever the occupation they are doing. A postman delivers letter, a dentist look at the cavities in the teeth, a tailor stitches clothes, a grocer sells sugar and wheat, a doctor treats diseases, an engineer designs machines. Okay, so children, complete it. Now we have done this. This exercise is now completed. Okay, now we will do grammar glee. Okay, grammar glee we are going to do. You just write it down. Grammar glee we are going to do, children. Okay, so complete it. Take a screenshot, children. And now we are going to do grammar glee. Our next exercise in this chapter is grammar glee. Okay, grammar glee. Now children, this grammar glee we have already done. Adverbs we have completed. Now what are adverbs? First of all, we will remind this or we will revise this, then we will complete our exercise. So children, we must know what are adverbs. Adverbs are words which explain or describe verbs. How the work is done, where is work is done, and when is work is done. That we have already done in our grammar book. So adverb of manners we have done, adverb of time and adverb of place, that we have already done. Okay, so adverb of manner is telling us how is work is done. It means he walks slowly. It means slowly over here. It's showing or telling us how the work is done. कैसे वो चल रहा है, slowly चल रहा है. And he walks on the road. If we are telling कहाँ पे वो चल रहा है, तो वो road पर चल रहा है. ठीक है? And here children, if we are going to tell you that how, when he walks in the afternoon or early in the morning. So this is the time. It denotes the time. So children, this is the way we can understand that adverbs. Adverbs in short term we can say an adverb is a word which describe actions, which describe verbs. Okay. So children, let's start doing our next exercise that we have on the page number 104, that is choose the correct adverbs of manner from the box to complete the following sentences. अब हमें correct adverbs of manner को choose करना है और हमें इसको complete करना है. Okay, so let's start doing children. A number, choose the correct adverbs of manner, adverbs of manner from the box, and complete the following sentences. the following sentences, children. Okay, children. Now, children, we are going to do, children. First number is the turtle moved. The turtle moved slowly. We are going to choose this slowly across the road. Across the road. हमने कौन सा एडवर्ब चूज किया वॉक के लिए? दैट इज स्लोली. ओके, सो राइट डाउन स्लोली. द टर्टल मूव्ड slowly across the road, children. Okay, now children, we will do our next one, that is second number. Second number is the lion roared. The lion roared. We will write roared जब चिल्लाते हैं तो angrily. Okay, angrily we are going to choose this angrily. The lion roared angrily in the forest. In the forest. ठीक है, lion कैसे चिल्लाते हैं? गुस्से के साथ. Angrily roared in the forest. So angrily we have chosen. Now the third one. The students sat quietly. So we have chosen quietly. The students sat quietly in the classroom. In the classroom. The students sat quietly in the classroom. Now number 4. Number 4 is the boy waited. The boy waited. The boy waited for his mother. The boy waited for his mother patiently. Patiently means धीरज के साथ. Patiently. जब आप किसी का वेट करते हैं तो पेशेंटली ही करते हैं, धीरज के साथ करते हैं. So that is why this is patiently. Now number 5 is he crossed the road. We crossed the road. We crossed the road carefully. We will write carefully. Yes, children, of course, whenever we are crossing the road, we just pay attention कि इधर से कोई तो व्हीकल नहीं आ रहा है, कहीं हमारा कोई एक्सीडेंट ना हो जाए. तो हम ज़्यादातर केयरफुली ही क्रॉस करते हैं रोड्स को. ठीक है. सो नाउ चिल्ड्रन वी विल डू 6 नंबर. ओके, सो कंप्लीट दिस. नाउ 6 नंबर वी आर गोइंग टू डू, दैट इज द किंग फॉट. The king fought. Fought, the second form of the verb. ठीक है. फाइट का सेकेंड फॉर्म फॉट होता है पास्ट टेंस में. द किंग फॉट ब्रेवली, बहादुरी के साथ. ब्रेवली. ओके, द किंग फॉट ब्रेवली. ओके, 6 नंबर, द किंग फॉट ब्रेवली, चिल्ड्रन. ओके, सो राइट इट डाउन, ब्रेवली. Now children, we will do our next number, that is 7 number. Okay, 7 number, write. We will write neatly. Okay, write neatly. NEA, देखिए आपको क्लियर दिख रहा है कि नहीं? NEA. Write neatly. Okay, write neatly in your notebook. In your notebook. बुक। साफ साफ लिखिए अपनी नोटबुक में, जैसे टीचर आपको बोलते हैं ना साफ लिखिए, नीट इट, राइट इट नीटली, तो राइट नीटली इन योर नोटबुक। नाउ नंबर 8 चिल्ड्रन, दिस इज द लास्ट वन वी आर गोइंग टू डू। ही स्विम्स, he swims well, he swims well, लिख लीजिए, he swims well, okay, he swims well, okay children, he swims well, well लिख लीजिए, WELL, well. So now children, we have completed this. Take a screenshot. He swims well. Okay. Now children, we are going to do our next one, that is, क्या हमने लिखा? The turtle moved slowly, the lion roared angrily in the forest, the student sat quietly in the classroom, the boy waited for his mother patiently. Now we crossed the roads carefully. The king fought bravely. Write neatly in your notebook. And the 8th one is he swims well. ठीक है? Now we have completed this children. Now let's start doing our next exercise, that is underline the verb in the following sentences and circle the adverb of time. अब हमें adverb of time को circle करना है. Adverb of time हमको पता है कि वो हमें बताते हैं कि ये काम कब हुआ, when the work is being done. So children, let's start doing our B number exercise. Okay, B number exercise is underline the verbs. Underline the adverbs of time. Adverbs of time को हमें underline करना है, ठीक है? Now, the first one is the weather is very hot today. The weather is very hot today. Today here, underline it, today. Okay. Now second one is the teacher will come soon. The teacher will come soon. Soon is showing the time, adverb of time. The third one, she will go to the market. She will go to the market tomorrow. Tomorrow. Okay. Number 4 is the team will play. The team will play. The team will play in the semi-finals. In the semi-finals dash tomorrow. Tomorrow, okay. So we will underline tomorrow. Full stop. Okay, tomorrow. Now, 5th number. Sunita is always late. Is always late for school. For school. Here always. Okay. Sunita is always late for school. So always. Now number 6 is I met my aunt yesterday. I met my aunt yesterday. When I met yesterday. Okay, so yesterday. Now here children, in the first line today, second line soon, third line tomorrow, fourth line tomorrow, fifth line always, and the sixth is yesterday. So children, complete it. We have underlined adverb of time. So children, one thing is remaining in this chapter, that is be creative. Imagine that your Rohini or Rahul, you met with an accident and sprained your left hand. Write an application to the principal of your school requesting him or her to grant you leave for 1 week. अब आपको 1 week के लिए जो कि application लिखनी है अपनी principal को, that we will do children. Okay.